Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. We are the group 3 and we are presenting about the internet and the World Wide Web.
Internet. The Internet capitalized as in internal when it first came into widespread use. It defined as a whole world network connected to a million of computers via dedicated routers and servers. When computers are connected to the Internet, end user could start sending and receiving different types of information. This type of information can be sent and received by electronic means, text or video chats, and of conferencing and computer programs, among others. From its definition, parang sinasabi dito na ito daw yung napaka-importanting, pinaka-importante sapagkat kung wala kang internet, paano ka magkakaroon ng connection within others? Ito rin na nagiging tulay para magkaroon kayo ng communication na iba't ibang tao worldwide. Pwede kayo mag-chat, tumawag, or mag-send ng emails through electronic gadget. And that's all.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Ahroding A. Alyasa, Group 3 reporter. Jobs the internet can do. Internet users may wonder about the jobs that the internet can do. However, there is only one simple job that different does, and it is to move, transfer, or assign a computerized information from one place to another. This information can be in the form of text, documents, image, audio, video, and also software program. Among others, all this information is known as data. The internet can handle different kinds of information and assist people to perform various jobs, from the simple task of handling of email searching on websites and sending chat messages to the more sophisticated function of creating websites and programming possible through various software program. Sabi po dito, ang internet daw po ay may simpleng gawain. Ang pangunahing gawain ng internet daw po ay ang paglipat o pagtatalaga ng isang impormasyon na naka-computer mula sa isang lugar patungo sa iba. Ang impormasyong ito ay maaaring nasa anyo ng mga documents, picture o larawan, audio, video at mga software program. Ang lahat ng impormasyong ito ay tinatawag na data. Kayang hawakan ng internet ang iba't ibang uri ng information at pwedeng matulungan ang mga tao